Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install a program called Visual Studio Code. This is a lightweight but powerful source code editor. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on download for Windows and you now need to go save file. And as you can see, it says Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop. It is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and Node.js and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages. As you can see, there are lots of other languages there that this program does support. Once the download has finished, you now need to click on the setup file and you need to go run. You now need to go next and you need to go I accept. We now need to go next again. And you now need to select where you would like to install Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to leave it in the default location. Once you are happy with that, you can go next, and we need to go next again, and next again. And we can now go ahead and press install. Once the install has finished, we can now launch Visual Studio Code. And there we go. As you can see, I now have Visual Studio Code on my computer. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.